अच्छा करो प्लीज, ठीक है?
या इसको कुछ ना कुछ
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ये आपको छुपा देते हैं. Now I can see you. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Now I can see you. Normally आप पीछे छुपी हुई होती हैं. So
लेडीज फर्स्ट वाला जो है इन्होंने अभी तक वो शुरू नहीं किया लगता.
मैंने
नहीं मैं क्या भामरी साहब ने,
मिस्टर भामरी ने. ओके हाँ जी.
नहीं तो लेडीज आगे और पीछे आप हों.
Just a second please.
मिस हो रहा है थोड़ा आवाज.
Anji, can everyone hear me clearly?
Yes. Yeah. Now. Yes.
Okay. I think there's a little bit of a network issue today. बीच में शायद कटती भी जा रही है आवाज. But हाँ जी. So I hope now I'm audible and clear to everyone.
Yeah.
So as usual, a very warm welcome to Mo TV. And जैसे मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि जैसे आप वेट करते हैं, हम लोग भी वेट करते हैं 6 बजने की and आप सबसे मिलने की. And it is lovely to talk to you all. थोड़ी बहुत जो हम chit chatting करते हैं before 6:10 is like rejuvenating to I think all of us. And अब I think time ऐसा आ गया कि सब इतने ज़्यादा दोस्त बन गए हैं, though we all live in different areas. But दोस्ती ऐसी हो गई है कि I think we all should share each other's numbers and then kind of talk on that also.
You can coordinate that, Ritu. Please coordinate. I've been asking you.
आपने बड़ा अच्छा किया था WhatsApp ग्रुप जो बनाया था.
हाँ जी.
Why can't you restart the particular thing there?
नहीं, अब मैं सबके लिए तो मैं
at least we'll have the number of everybody then and we can always एक दूसरे के साथ chit chat कर सकते हैं साथ में. ये देखो दोबारा अगर in case you could restart the thing.
नहीं, I think अब पूरे ग्रुप का तो नहीं करेंगे, पर जैसे आप लोग हैं, मिस्टर अविनाश हैं, मोना आंटी हैं, मिस्टर भामरी जो रेगुलरली आते हैं, I think we all can share. Mr. Ved हैं and all that, so we can share each other's number and so and then carry on. So today again.
Participants.
Sorry.
Even the numbers of your participants, because they are great. We feel very thrilled when we feel happy, so we want to compliment.
No, I'm sure. So that, of course, is their discretion. I will have to check up with them before I share the numbers. So, जो करते हैं definitely, उनका मैं like Mr. Harmeet ने दिखाया था अपना number वगैरह, and he said please do get in touch with me. So जो खुद करते हैं वो ठीक है, but otherwise till I speak to them, then we will definitely. So किसी के घर तो मिक्सी चल रही है अभी, कोई कोल्ड कॉफी पीने वाला है, आज चाय नहीं पी रहे. I think the weather has changed now, so I think अब कोल्ड कॉफी का वेदर आ गया. एंड कल भी आपने इतनी अच्छी ड्रिंक्स बनाई. आई होप किसी ने ट्राई करी थी वो ड्रिंक्स.
हाँ.
नहीं, किसी ने नहीं करी.
मैंने वो मिंट शरबत.
हाँ, आप नहीं आए थे मिस्टर भामरी, बाकी सब थे. So we had some wonderful, cooling drinks that Rashmi had told us about. So
I need a drink.
तो बस उसने कहा था try करो. तो I think none of us had the time. Weekend पे maybe we will.
प्रियंका ने बताया था, तो we tried it today while the program was on. बेल का शरबत तुमने बोला. Okay, great. So आज again हमारे बीच में of course we have one of our guests who had come earlier. And like last time when I think we had a wonderful experience with her, what she shared with us, and her ever smiling face is something I think none of us have been able to forget. So let me just introduce the topic so that I can hand over to her and not take too much of your time.
So आज का जो उन्होंने टॉपिक मुझे दिया है, which I feel is really very relevant in today's world. So just a background to that, we as a whole endeavor to understand one another, but regardless of our best intentions, we experience disappointments, varying opinions, and misconceptions. We all have to work together, live side by side, and cooperate with each other. Although sometimes it appears more difficult than one might expect, we frequently feel that if there was an approach to expand our understanding of people in different situations, it could be a very valuable thing for us to know. So today, that is exactly what we will be devoting this evening to. And to guide us through this, we once again have with us someone with over 16 years of experience in the field of Dianetics and Scientology, someone as calm as the light of sunset, sweet as the bright stillness of autumn. So let's welcome among us the ever-smiling personality, Miss Shelly Shalini, who will now be talking about relationships and how to manage them. So over to you, Shelly, and once again, thank you for being with us and coming on MoTV. And everybody is definitely looking forward to this. And maybe after this, they will have a better understanding of the people around them, and more so, I think the spouses, जो कि I think हमेशा एक ऐसा वो relationship है कि कितना भी हम समझने की कोशिश करें, ऊंच नीच उसमें चलती ही रहती है. So I hope today's session is going to, bring a lot of calmness and all that. So over to you.
Thank you, Ritu. Wow, you really gave such a wonderful words for me. I'm like so happy and gladdened by it.
Bilkul fitting you to the T.
Really complimenting words. Thanks a lot. Yeah, you really touched my heart. Okay, so I come back to this part of relationship. Like you already described so nicely that if you want to fulfill the gap in communication, if somebody wants to overcome the friction which they have in their relationship, be it a spouse or anyone, we'll go over these points. And before that, I want to just give everybody my warm greetings, like namaste. And I also want everyone to, I'm sure that last time I gave certain exercises and you might have really enjoyed doing them at your own convenience. So I'll be giving you some more exciting stuff in this lecture as well to think upon, and you can ask me questions towards the end of it. Okay, so Ritu, shall I go ahead?
Definitely.
All right. Okay, so I'll start with the relationship aspect. And as she said, Dianetics is the science of mind and Scientology is the science of life. Mr. L. Ron Hubbard discovered so deeply about mind that he went deeper and deeper in understanding of life. So he came up with something called science of survival. And he knew that it wasn't easy. I think I'll also switch to Hindi in between. He knew, उन्हें पता था Mr. Hubbard को कि ये बहुत आसान नहीं है relationship को manage करना, उसे sustain करना, सारी मुश्किलों से बाहर निकलना. So he really created a whole discovery called science of survival. And he discovered about relationships. And then he found out how one can overcome the issues which they are faced in life. क्या-क्या परेशानी होती है, कैसे आप उसे डील कर सकते हैं और रिलेशनशिप में सबसे जरूरी क्या है. So आपको रिलेशनशिप को एक साइंटिफिक टूल की तरह देखना है. Relationship is a part and parcel of life. And it is a system, like the way you have an organization running, it has a treasury, it has something or other. Similarly, you have a family, which is like a unit. एक फैमिली एक हमारा छोटा सा ग्रुप है जिसमें रिलेशनशिप उसका एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट हिस्सा है. एंड फॉर रिलेशनशिप there was a big secret which he gave it out, and that is like very scientific, which can be applied immediately. आप उसे उस वक्त ही अप्लाई कर सकते हैं जानने के बाद. जो मैं आपको सीक्रेट बताने जा रही हूँ, it's like very simple. And he discovered something called the components of understanding, something called components of understanding. And look at this triangle. You know, this is the triangle of life. This is very, very important triangle. This is called the triangle of life. That's why we have a tree in the middle of it. And this shows the full understanding of life. So basically, what does this triangle signify? ये triangle आपको क्या बताने की कोशिश कर रहा है? That in any relationship, if you want to establish understanding, you have to have these three components of the triangle. किसी भी रिलेशनशिप में अगर आप बहुत अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग चाहते हैं, चाहे वो आपके पार्टनर के साथ हो, स्पाउस हो, बच्चों के साथ हो, वर्क हो, बिजनेस हो, वर्ल्ड हो, लीडरशिप हो, in anywhere in the world, when you want to achieve a better understanding for yourself and for others around you, you need to know this triangle. And this is the magic. This is the biggest magic for relationship. This triangle signifies, it has three parts, and this 3 parts I'll explain. मैंने इसे बहुत बैठ के थोड़ा सा draw किया है आपके लिए. I made like a rough triangle here. These 3 parts are, the top corner says A. A stands for affinity, and there is a corner over here called R. R stands for reality, and then there is a corner is C, that is communication. So basically, ये जो 3 point है, सबसे important point है triangle के, affinity, that is your affection, your love, your care towards the other person. आप दूसरों के लिए क्या feel करते हैं, caring है, affection है या नहीं है, आप बहुत loving है, and then gradually sometimes आपकी interest high होती है, sometimes low होती है, sometimes you can go up to anger, गुस्सा आ जाता है किसी की बातों से, sometimes indifference, you don't want to talk to them anymore, उनसे दिल नहीं करता बात करने का, and then there is hatred. Obviously that is the bottom, because when you are working with affinity, affinity is the affection side of your triangle, and which can have the highest level of love, care, understanding, and the lowest level of hatred. हो सकता है कि आप किसी को बिल्कुल ही ना पसंद करें, but in relationship we have to establish this A, that is affinity, your affection. You have to establish that. Then is reality, that is your reality is जिस चीज पे आप agree करते हैं, mutual agreement upon certain things. कि अगर हमें लगता है कि हाँ चलो हमें एक movie देखनी चाहिए, that is an agreement, something which is real for you, something which is also real for the other person, and something which you can agree upon commonly. हमें पता है कि ठीक है ये किताब है, this is the book, हम सब ने agree किया है, this is a book. And if someone comes here and says, oh, this is not a book, this is an elephant, obviously क्या होगी, there'll be a reality break, because दो लोग इस चीज को मानते हैं कि ये किताब है और किसी थर्ड को ऐसा लगता है कि ये किताब नहीं है, एक एलिफेंट है, तो obviously वो दो लोग बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बन सकते हैं क्योंकि उनके व्यूज मैच कर रहे हैं. Whereas जो थर्ड पर्सन है वो शायद उतना ज्यादा, they may not even enjoy your company, or you will not enjoy the third person's company. इस जगह पे हमारी reality factor break होती है. So the way reality goes towards positive, it can also go towards negative. In day-to-day life हमारे बहुत सारी चीजों पे ऐसी views हो सकती हैं जो match ना करें, but still there are thousands of things you can agree upon. What is real for you, what is real for the other person, what is the mutual understanding between you two, that is the another factor of the triangle. Now the final part is, the most important part is communication. Communication is the exchange of ideas, your feelings, the way you give your views, ideas, you talk to the person, and then you listen to the person when the person is giving it back to you. So when you give your ideas and exchange it fully, that is called communication. This is the most important point of the triangle, because without this part of the triangle of communication, you cannot have a full level of understanding with anybody in this universe. अगर आपको किसी के भी साथ understanding establish करनी है, या एक manageable relation या बहुत happy relation establish करना है, so you have to have the affinity factor, the reality factor in the triangle, and the communication. Communication is most important. Why? Because अगर मैं अपनी feeling आप तक पहुंचाऊं ना, या बताऊं भी ना कि मैं क्या feel कर रही हूँ, तो आप चाह के भी कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगर आप relationship ठीक भी करना चाहते हैं, you would not know what's going on in my mind. And that's why communication is very, very important, that you should be able to exchange your views from one position to the other position, and the interchange of the ideas and mingling of the ideas forms the communication. So communication being the most important, it formulates the triangle. Triangle को बनाने में communication का बहुत ही important role है. Because when you have this part of the triangle corner, that is interdependent with affinity and reality. Similarly, आपकी reality भी इस triangle के corner से interdependent है. Now think of the time जब आपने कभी किसी के साथ थे, new stranger, you went out to a place and कोई movie देखी या sports देखा, football match देखा, and then you like the same player as the other person. So that person is not even known to you, but you had a common mutual reality कि हाँ ये प्लेयर मुझे पसंद है. आप दो लोगों ने उस पे अग्री किया कि हाँ ये प्लेयर मुझे बहुत पसंद है, या मुझे ये एक्टर बहुत पसंद है, अमिताभ बच्चन, और मे बी यू नो दिलीप कुमार इज माय फेवरेट एक्टर. तो आपने अग्री करा विद अ स्ट्रेंजर कि हाँ ये रियल है मेरे लिए, ये मेरे लिए फेवरेट एक्टर है. व्हाट हैपेंड इमीडिएटली आफ्टर दैट? What happens to this triangle of your understanding? Then you feel like talking to that person even more. आपको लगता है कि मैं कुछ और बातें इससे शेयर करूँ. ये तो बिल्कुल आपने वो मूवी देखी, अच्छा ये वाली मूवी देखी. इससे क्या होता है, आपकी affection towards that person, that particular person goes up, very, very high up. Now this was with a stranger. Now आप अपने daily life में जब when you live with people, obviously उनके choices, उनकी likes, dislikes आपको सब पता है. और फिर भी कई बार डिसएग्रीमेंट्स हो जाती हैं, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स हो जाती हैं, और हमें नहीं पता है कि हम उसे ठीक कैसे करें. तो अगेन आपको ये ट्रायंगल को बिल्कुल अपना आप कह लो कि इट्स लाइक अ वैदिक स्क्रिप्चर. यू हैव टू बिलीव इन इट लाइक अ टूल, समथिंग व्हिच कैन बी इमीडिएटली अप्लाइड. इसे आप इमीडिएटली अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. आप देखें कि मेरे ट्रायंगल में इस पर्सन के साथ जो मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग श्रिंक क्यों हो रही है? मेरा ट्रायंगल जो इतना एक्सपैंडेड था वो श्रिंक क्यों हो रहा है? Why don't I like this person? Why don't I feel like talking to this person? Why have I all these misunderstandings with this person? I'm facing all these things with this person. तो मैं ऐसा क्या कर सकता हूँ या क्या कर सकती हूँ? Obviously आपको अपने ट्रायंगल को देखना है कि मेरे ट्रायंगल का कौन सा हिस्सा ब्रेक हो चुका है या नीचे जा चुका है. क्या मेरी अफेक्शन उस मेरे स्पाउस के लिए डाउन चली गई है, मुझे उतना अच्छा नहीं लगता है ये इंसान अब, आई हेट दैट पर्सन नाउ, और मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं है कुछ भी करे, यू नो दैट इज इनडिफरेंस. तो अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपकी एफिनिटी नीचे चली गई है, या अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मेरे कोई भी व्यूज उसे सही नहीं लगते, मैं कुछ भी बोलूं उसे डिसएग्रीमेंट है, वो कुछ भी बोले मुझे पसंद नहीं आता, तो यहाँ पे आपकी रियलिटी डाउन हो चुकी है. And that is what you have to find कि आपके relationship में जब whenever there is a misunderstanding, whenever there is a difficulty, a problem, fight, anger, annoyance, violence, anything, you have to see which part of the triangle has gone down. कौन सा side है जो break हो चुका है, and you have to repair that. You know, that is the biggest challenge, that how will you repair the triangle? Now as when we come to the repair part, that is secondary. First knowing is important कि problem क्या है, diagnose तो करें ये problem है क्या. और जब ये आपने diagnose correct कर लिया कि ठीक है मेरी affinity, मेरी affection मेरे wife या husband के लिए नीचे जा चुकी है due to several fights, that means something is going wrong in your level of reality. कुछ ऐसी बातें हैं जिस पे आप mutually agree नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, or maybe there is something going wrong in your communication. Maybe you're not clear enough, maybe you're not sharing enough, maybe you're not talking enough, or maybe you're not listening enough. तो ये चीजों में आपको अपने triangle के factors को identify करना है, which point is missing in my triangle of understanding, and how can I expand it? Because expand, जब आपकी triangle expand होती है in the physical universe, there comes a time you can have a complete understanding with the other person in that same space. You know, and you can be occupying the same space with same kind of love and affection. अगर आप देखें, for example, if I tell you an example of a mother, when a baby is born, obviously she knows everything about the baby. Hi, and there is a communication which is non-verbal. वो उसकी बिहेवियर पैटर्न, उसके रिएक्शंस, उसके मूवमेंट से समझ जाती है. दैट इज द कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन मदर एंड द बेबी. She understands and realizes what is going wrong, and she fixes it, she mends it immediately, she corrects it, you know. And that is the way their understanding level is so high. In whenever you look at a mother and a newborn baby, their level of understanding is very high and their affinity is very high. और सबसे बड़ा the way you can check your affinity is high is जब भी आपकी अफेक्शन या लव किसी के लिए बहुत हाई है, तो आपका दिल करेगा उसके पास बैठने का. आपका दिल करेगा कि मैं वही स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करूं. जैसे एक छोटे बच्चे को आप हग करते हो, यू आर ऑक्यूपाइंग द सेम स्पेस एज अ चाइल्ड. And when you love someone, you hug them because you have your affinity so high that you want to, distance reduces between you two people. Distance disappears completely. Then you start to occupy the same space. और जहां आपको दिखने लगे कि डिस्टेंस बढ़ रही है, there is a communication lag, मेरा इस कमरे में बैठने का दिल ही नहीं करता जहां पे भी वो मेरे पार्टनर हो या मेरे बच्चे हो या मेरे ऑफिस बॉस हो, I want to just walk away from there. That means your affinity has dropped down. आपके ट्रायंगल का जो affinity part है वो break हो चुका है. So these three factors are something which you have to work with. जैसे कि एक इंजीनियर अपने टूल्स के साथ काम करता है, वैसे ही आपको अपने इन 3 फैक्टर्स कंपोनेंट्स के साथ काम करना है. Affinity, reality and communication. And these are interdependent. अगर आपके पास, मान लें आपको कुछ भी नहीं पता है कि मैं ऐसे कैसे improve करूं, पर आप जानते हो कि हाँ ये 3 components है, affinity है, reality है and communication है. Take any point, take any factor, like take communication. आप decide करो, ठीक है मैं reality से शुरू करता हूँ, या मैं affinity से शुरू करता हूँ, या मैं communication से शुरू करता हूँ. आप किसी भी point से शुरू करें, the overall triangle will grow, will expand eventually, and it will lead to a better understanding. Because L. Ron Hubbard says one thing about communication, which I would like to read it out to you, that the third and the most, ये इस किताब से मैं आपको कुछ पढ़ना चाह रही हूँ. The third and the most important corner of the ARC triangle is communication. In human relationships, this is more important than the other 2 corners of the triangle in understanding. The composition of human relationship in this universe is based on communication. Communication is the solvent for all the things. It dissolves all things. चाहे वो nations हो, चाहे वो ऑफिस हो, चाहे वो रिलेशनशिप्स हो, चाहे वो 2 लोगों के बीच की रिलीजियस इश्यूज हो या कुछ भी हो, थिंग्स कैन बी रिजॉल्व विद कम्युनिकेशन. इफ कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉट जस्ट टॉकिंग कि ठीक है मैंने बोल दिया, अपने बच्चे को ऑर्डर दे दिया कि तुम्हें ये करना है तो करना है, that is not just communication, that is not pure communication. Pure communication would involve the exchange of ideas, the interchange of views and the ideas and the thoughts, and you will also make sure कि मैं जो कह रहा हूँ वो उसने really में उसे समझा है, has he really duplicated, understood it or not. Because obviously your junior, if you're a boss, he will never execute your command if he has not understood your communication. So communication के कुछ ऐसे factors हैं जहां हमें खुद को correct करना पड़ता है कि ठीक है communication में I'm just talking, am I ever listening to my partner? यहाँ इन चीजों पे you'll have to start to introspect yourself. We call it self-analysis, because then through self-analysis you can see which aspect is really going down on your triangle. The idea is कि आपकी triangle इस level तक आ जाए कि no third interference, third party can break the triangle between you 2 people. That is the whole idea, the whole philosophy of improving relationship here. I hope, is there all going fine so far, Ritu?
Yeah, 100%. Okay. I think we are so engrossed in listening to what you are saying, and I don't know if, how much.
Can I make a comment, Shalini, or do you want me to do it later on?
Whatever Ritu says.
No, fine. If it's a question, we will take it later so that she can finish off with this thing. If it's just a comment, we can just, you are most welcome to, kind of just.
No, you described the triangle extremely well. I'll put it another word, that we two are friends. Ritu and Avinash are great friends. But she says, "Abhi andhera hai," मैं कहता हूँ नहीं धूप निकली. So the problem is the issue, not the people. So we can agree to disagree. More important is that you may be the best of friends.
Yeah.
You can always disagree on the issue. So the problem is the issue, not the person.
Exactly. Exactly.
Right. Like for instance, my wife and I have a tremendous amount of difference of opinion. But we can, very creditably accept what she is saying or I say. Either I try and convince her, but don't use my force to tell. Don't raise my voice. And you're absolutely right. Communication should never break, because that's the only link between the two.
Exactly.
Thank you so much. You've described it very well. Thank you.
Thank you. Absolutely. Thank you for sharing your example, which is so correct in this scenario which I'm discussing, because communication is the most important link between you two. You can have disagreements. Obviously, you can have thousands of things you do not agree upon. But the idea is to sustain your triangle of understanding. Okay, me and Ritu are friends, and she may have a disagreement on certain things with me. I may think in a different way, but I have to see, okay, I understand that is your point of view. This is my point of view. Let me see, is there something common we can agree upon? Because my intention is that I want to have a better relation with her. I want to have a superb understanding with her. And I don't have to convince anybody or apologize for my own ideas and views and thoughts. And I don't have to propitiate that. I don't have to please somebody, or try to get their attention. You can be yourself, at the same time have the highest level of understanding with this triangle by knowing what are the person's level of understanding, what are the things the person can agree upon, what are the things the person is not able to agree upon. Okay, fine, I'll not even bring up those things which she or he is not understanding at this point of time. Because, a knowledge, your background has a lot to do with your level of understanding as well. Everybody has their own set of knowledge, set of experiences from past. And that's why I always come back to Dianetics, that you have to understand the root cause of the problem in the mind is the reactive mind, the unconscious part of mind, which has stored a lot of painful experiences from past and your upbringing and the education which you gathered, or the information, the data, whether it was given to you was correct, true or false. Sometimes, you go to somebody for some lessons or moral principles and they tell you something which is very difficult to apply in life. And then you don't know if it is correct or not. So you still try to apply. But what goes wrong is we don't have something which is applicable, which is something which can be worked upon. Like, this is really workable. You can use the triangle in a very workable fashion. ठीक है, मेरे views नहीं match करते हैं, but what can I do to formulate my triangle back again from the day one when I first met this person, or the first love feeling I felt for this person? What can I do to create on that? There are higher levels of love and depth and understanding which are totally to be explored. It's the higher planes of the universe and frequency which you can explore yourself on a scientific level, on a spiritual level, as long as you have sorted out the basic. This is just the basic. And once you have sorted out the basic, you will realize that, yeah, you are ready for the higher games. You can play the higher level games now because you have already sorted out the basic. But on top of everything, like you said, you're right. You can have your views. The other person can have their views. But you have to have the link, which is communication, because you're in a relationship. You want to establish some kind of understanding. What are the things we can agree upon? ठीक है, हम क्या agree कर सकते हैं? And forget agreement. अगर आपका दिल नहीं करता उस topic पे बात करने का, आप मत करो. Find out something you can have affection for the other person, affinity. How can I raise my affinity? How can I raise my love or affection towards this person, or the care? For wife or husband, even if you cook the favorite thing for your child is a kind of raising your affection. ठीक है, मेरे बच्चे को ये बहुत पसंद है, कुछ दिनों से हमारी बात नहीं हो रही है. Why don't I bake this cake for my child? Okay, immediately you have raised the affinity of the child, because that child has high affinity towards that food. And when you do that, you have raised your own triangle. and then it is interdependent. Obviously the child will say something to you, हाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा mama, thank you so much. So there you have your communication with the child, and then you can establish the reality. ठीक है, yesterday you did something which I could not agree upon, it wasn't correct, you know, as per my knowledge and understanding and experience of life, I think you could do it better. So instead of fighting with me over these matters, why don't you just finish your homework and tell me then what are the difficulties you're facing? This is just an example I'm giving you. There could be thousands of such examples you can use. And for detailed information in it, you know, I'm always there. Like she said, I can share my number. I have my card over here. I'll share my number at the end, because this was the card from UK and my numbers are the UK numbers. So I'll give you my India number later. So the thing is that there are certain practical exercises we do in our program, जहाँ पे हम लोगों को help करते हैं one-on-one, and there are some practical things we make you go through to bring it in practice. And the more you get into the practice of applying this knowledge, see, there are two things. One is that if the knowledge is applicable or not. मैं अगर आपको दूं, you know, if I give you a duster and I say, okay, write with it on the board. You know, the blackboard is there in the classroom, go and write with this duster. You can spend your 100 of years with all the hard work. You can do everything possible, but you'll not be able to write with that duster on the board, because that is not the correct thing. You need a pen, you need a marker, or you need a chalk, you know, to write on the board. So obviously the very first thing you have to always look for, कि ये knowledge जो मुझे दी जा रही है, क्या ये apply की जा सकती है या नहीं? You know, that is the first question you have to always ask in any information you ever gain in your entire life. That is the first question. Is this knowledge applicable? Because knowledge is certainty, knowledge is power, and if it can't be used to enhance your sanity, then it's of no use to humanity. You know, any knowledge which can't enhance your sanity is not of any use to humanity. This is my understanding, and also the understanding of the founder who discovered so much of philosophy, and he gave a very scientific approach to life where you can use everything with the help of science and use it to make life better. Rather than making and creating missiles to destroy the universe, I can use it to make life a little bit better, livable with my near and dear ones. So first is that if this knowledge is applicable. The second is, okay, ठीक है, ये knowledge थोड़ी applicable लग रही है, workable है, तो मैं इसे use कैसे करूँ? There is this triangle, there is called affinity, my affection towards the other person, my love and care. And obviously, affinity also has the highest level of love, and on the bottom it is hatred. When you hate someone, still there is a degree of affinity, but that has gone on the negative side. When you would not hate a stranger walking on the street. You'll not hate somebody in the other country sitting doing whatever they are doing. You hate a particular person just because you are still connected with that triangle, with that person. You have that certain level of affinity which has gone towards minus, and you still feel that hate inside you. So that means you can turn around the inverted triangle on the upside and make it positive. You can enhance your affinity, your affection, work on the reality. ठीक है, is there anything which we can mutually agree upon? Anything. It could be a flower, it could be a bird, it can be a food. Is there anything I can mutually, is there something I like about the person? Let's say you had a big fight with your husband or wife, you know, and then you don't want to see each other for days, and you are sitting in another room and your spouse is in some other, out of the house. These days you're locked down, so you have to face each other. So you're not looking at each other. So at that time, what can you do to apply this triangle? Start with something, you know, one point of the corner of the components of this triangle, whether communication you want to begin with, that will be your choice. Or if you want to begin with affinity, or if you want to begin with reality. Is there something I like about this person? Is there anything I like about this person? Do I truly admire anything about this person? Okay, yeah, I found it. All right. Amidst of all the insanity, all the craziness, all the fights, this person has stood by me through life. This is the most positive thing I find about this person. For example, मैं एक example दे रही हूँ कि अगर आपको लगता है कि ये इसमें कुछ भी ऐसी बात नहीं है जो मुझे रहना चाहिए, लेकिन ठीक है, क्या कोई भी ऐसी चीज है जो मैं इसके बारे में पसंद करती हूँ या करता हूँ? हाँ, इस पर्सन ने मेरा साथ हमेशा दिया है. This is the most positive quality that will raise your affinity high. Now find out what you can communicate upon. ठीक है, अगर आपके पास कुछ नहीं है कम्युनिकेट करने को, तो एटलीस्ट टेल दिस थिंग टू द पर्सन. ऑलराइट, फॉरगेट ऑल द फाइट, जो भी हो रही है तो चलती रहेंगी, लाइफ का पार्ट है. लेकिन आज तक मुझे एक चीज तुम्हारी बहुत अच्छी लगी कि यू वर देयर विथ मी थ्रू माय लाइफ डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स. ये just this communication can disappear the whole fight. You know, sometimes people are waiting for such communications, and just saying this one sentence will change the life of that other person, and they also will feel guilty and realize, what am I doing? You know, why am I fighting if this person has good intention towards me? So these are the things you have to start to work upon. And मैरिज काउंसलिंग भी हम लोग करते हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. There are some intense issues also which comes up, and for that we sit with them separately, and I work with them separately, and we have trained counselors to work with them if required. Most of the time I do it myself. So obviously on the if you get into very complicated issues with people around you, or they are suffering in relationship for a good long time, first use what you have gained through the seminar. First try to use it. If you fail there, then I'm always there to help you out. So before I end this, I don't know how much time do I have left, so I'll read something from Mr. Hubbard, what he says. He says something about happiness, and it is from the New Slant on Life from Mr. Hubbard. He says, happiness and strength endure only in the absence of hate. To hate alone is the road to disaster. To love is the road to strength. To love in spite of all is the secret of greatness, and may very well be the greatest secret in this universe. You know, to love in spite of all is the secret of greatness, and may very well be the greatest secret in this universe. There is always something called greatness you have to apply, which is a part of affinity. That, okay, fine, I don't have to forgive the person. If you want to forgive, you can, but I still can follow my greatness to see that person with the same eyes of love as a human. You know, the basic humanity in me will never die towards this person. I hope everybody is still listening.
100%. I think we just kind of, you know, so deeply involved in what you've been saying that realize bhi nahi ho raha ki aap khatam kar rahe ho. We're just kind of waiting for more, and I'm sure everybody will agree with this, with what I'm saying right now. And yeah. I think this was a topic which was very relevant, though of course everyone has been married for, you know, like for a number of years, maybe, you know, 40-50 years, and I'm sure they all have you know, brought their own sort of peace in their own relationships.
Yeah.
And but any kind of help is always welcome. And मैं आपको question answers के लिए अभी छोड़ती हूँ before I end the session. So I think Mr. Bhamri wants to say something. So Mr. Bhamri, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. First of all, I appreciate whatever you said. I agree with you.
Thank you.
But my experience of in the pharmaceutical industry, I was in sales. So I have worked in USA also. I have worked on two factors. One is the love. The most important thing is, without any bias, I have never come across a person whom I don't love. This was my first thing. Second is, with my experience, I found listening is a very, very big problem with the human beings. They hear for the sake of hearing. In our time, the listening used to be 25 to 30%. Even in America, they are working with a great stress on this. They have formed a listening club in America, and they are trying to see what are the factors which hampers listening.
Right.
So this is one most important part. If someone is attending your lecture and he is open mind, he is not worried about what my wife has said me half an hour before, ye leke aana, wo leke aana, listening reduces.
Right.
Okay, this is one most part. And the second part which I agree is you also emphasize affinity. Affinity का सबसे पहला component यही है कि अगर आप उससे प्यार करना शुरू कर दो, तो वो आदमी रिसेप्टिव हो जाता है।
Okay, yeah, right.
अगर आपके दिल में बायस होगा ना तो वो आपको एक तो आपकी सुनेगा नहीं, और दूसरा वो मतलब आपको कम्युनिकेशन सबसे बड़ी चीज मैंने देखी है, ये सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो इसमें थोड़ा सा स्पिरिचुअलिज्म में ये आता है कि संस्कार की बात होती है। हमें जो पेरेंट्स ने सिखाया किसी का बुरा नहीं सोचना, ये सब चीजें ऐड होके listening becomes fruitful and affinity rises and communication becomes strong.
Absolutely, absolutely. See, sir, there is one thing, you know, even in our organization, people spend 100 of hours to practice listening. Communication का एक proper program है हमारा, Success Through Communication, where we make them listen, sit down and listen to the other person. And there are hours and hours they spend, because mind is very fickle, you know, it will take you all around everywhere.
Exactly.
And people get distracted, dispersed. So one has to even practice the listening, because only when they can listen, they'll truly understand what the other person is saying. So it is a very important part of communication. जो हमारा proper, there is a whole program. Like you said, you're correct. Your personal life experience and observation is truly correct. And I agree to that. Yeah.
And secondly, हम लोगों ने जितना listening के ऊपर थोड़ा work किया, लेकिन आज क्या हो रहा है? Because of the stress and strain, children जो है ना, वो उनकी सुनने की power और कम होती जा रही है.
Right. Exactly. Absolutely.
We should exercise to listen to them. होता क्या है कि हम अपना एक्सपीरियंस उनके ऊपर हार्प करते हैं कि भाई ये नहीं ठीक, ये नहीं, जिससे सारी कम्युनिकेशन ब्रेक हो जाती है.
Right. Exactly. So there is one thing very important for children, obviously, because आपको ये भी देखना है कि the way society is structured and the way the world is moving further, like अगर आप condition देखें हमारे planet की and what we are going through in our day-to-day life, आज से 50 साल पहले बहुत sanity, बहुत शांति, बहुत peace था हमारे आसपास. चीजें बहुत अच्छे से आप apply कर सकते थे. Moral values को use करना was much easier. But these days there is so much of interruptions, interference, choices, and lack of peace all around in the universe that ये बहुत common है जो आप बता रहे हैं children के साथ, that they have these difficulties, they are facing these difficulties. So one has to also begin with set an example for them. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि you want to listen, you want them to listen to you, we have something in Way to Happiness. This is a 21 precept common sense guide. If you want them to listen to you, you also have to set an example for them. You know, show them with your action. You're listening to them. You listen to them first. What do they have to say? क्या है? क्या चीज है जो उसे trouble कर रही है? What is it in their mind? Why they're not even looking at you? So once you start doing that, obviously gradually आप इसे भी inculcate कर सकते हैं, but yeah, it needs a lot of practice. I totally agree with you. We have a whole communication course which has been broken down in parts. It starts with listening, talking, giving your ideas to the other person. And another thing which is very important कि अगर आपकी बात कोई नहीं सुन रहा है तो ये आपकी communication की कमी है कि आप अपनी बात उस तक क्यों नहीं पहुंचा पा रहे हैं. What can you improve in your own communication? Because in this kind of scientific exploration, what we are doing here, we are trying to take responsibility for ourselves. मैं दुनिया की responsibility लेना चाहती हूँ, but at the same time, I would like to work upon myself कि मैं अपनी चीजों को कैसे correct करती जाऊँ कि then I'm a better help to the society. I'm a better help, I can give service to the humanity, you know, better service to the humanity. So that also goes hand in hand कि आपकी communication receive नहीं हो रही है, that means there is something you also need to check on your communication level. और अगर बहुत forceful तरीके से जा रही हो और receive नहीं हो रही है तो भी check करना है. Or if they are not listening, what can you do to make them practice?
So what I suggest is एक role playing exercise होती है ना, उसमें एक तरफ आप बैठ जाओ, वो उसमें भी triangle है, एक तरफ हम बैठ जाएं और एक तरफ बच्चे बैठ जाएं.
हम करते हैं, ये हमारा regular activity है, ये हम करते हैं अपने exercises में.
So that the उसका कोई question होगा मेरे से वो सुनेगा नहीं, आपसे सुन लेगा.
Yeah, sure, I'll do that.
Shalini,
thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Shalini, I have a small point.
Sure.
Along with the communication, if you add some incentive also, then probably the communication aid is further enhanced. You take any case, you want to, कोई promotion करनी है किसी product की, चलो हम आज इमोहा का ही लेते हैं case. अगर they want to, कुछ promote करना चाहते हैं अपने product को, तो they would like to give some incentive to the other party there. घर में भी ले लो तो घर में ही वही है, वाइफ को खुश करना है तो वाइफ के लिए कुछ कम्युनिकेशन प्लस इंसेंटिव, बच्चों के साथ करना है तो कम्युनिकेशन प्लस इंसेंटिव. तो इज दैट इंसेंटिव आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अलोंग विद द कम्युनिकेशन, और कम्युनिकेशन इज द ओनली थिंग टू बी डन. I would just like to add communication and incentive together, not with the affinity or not with the reality. We will just forget those two corners. We would like to add on to the communication, whether the communication part should include the incentive also under these present circumstances.
Right. I agree with you, and that works very well. Also, I'm fine with that. But that is a part of your affection. What kind of rewards, incentives you are putting out to make that person interested towards you. That is also part of your affinity. ठीक है, आपके पास resource है, आप incentives डाल सकते हो बहुत ज़्यादा, but not every time you'll have the resource. So you have to be creative with the affinity part. What can you create upon the reality? क्या वो mutually agree करेगा? Like incentive you said, children are very very prone to that and they like it. So that is a part of their reality. कि ठीक है, पापा ने मुझे chocolate दिया, now I want to talk to him. So this is a part of their reality. So you're right. आप किसी भी तरीके से उसे create कर रहे हैं, you have to create the triangle of understanding. And there comes a point जहाँ पे इन चीजों पे बहुत ज़्यादा depend होने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. When communication is sound, when you have a very sound communication.
Okay.
See, one thing also, have you ever tried with your children, like, if it is a matter of children you discuss, have you ever tried, like, आपने उनको कुछ दिया और आपके साथ communication हुई उनकी, and now there is a difficult time, there is a crisis time, go with the peaceful state of mind, the serene state of mind, and with very high affectionate voice or love, share with them, कि right now I'm in a difficult state, I cannot give you that incentive, but I still want you to talk to me. See what happens.
It depends from person to person, society to society, because at certain places probably you need that thing to be given. At certain places where probably the understanding is better, a person will better understand the things and do according the need is.
Yeah,
but it doesn't go, it can't be generalized. It can be generalized. That is what I'm trying to say. Maybe in higher strata things may be different. If you get back to the lower strata, things may not be as you might be expecting otherwise.
Yeah,
मेरा
you're right.
मेरा जो एग्जांपल ये था कि आजकल जैसे हम पब्लिसिटी करते हैं, एक के साथ एक फ्री, इसके साथ सेल कर दिया, इसका ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया, हम इतना कम्युनिकेट करके आते हैं, कम्युनिकेट करने के बाद भी फेल मिजरेबली, उसके बाद हमारी कंपनी डिसाइड करती है यार थोड़ा सा इंसेंटिव दे दो, इंसेंटिव दे तो यू फाइंड प्रॉब्ली द ऑर्डर्स pouring into you there for these things. तो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू से दैट कि आपने रियलिटी शो भी दिखा दिया, अपना एफिनिटी भी कर दिया सारा, पर कम्युनिकेशन को थोड़ा और ऐड करके इंसेंटिव के साथ, if you are able to connect with the people there, probably the results are going to be better off.
See, yeah, you're right. I agree with that on the work platform. See, there is a marketing strategy. Her business की एक marketing strategy होती है, and there is something you have to be very creative upon as per your product. What are the services you're offering? ये आपकी अपनी personal strategy का part होगा. My work is to give you the very very basic understanding. How do you do the icing over the cake? Will be your personal creativity. कि आप उसे कितने अच्छे से use कर सकते हैं अपने life में. These are the basic. How to bake the cake. These are the basic ingredients. उसमें affinity पे आप क्या कर सकते हैं to make it more promising, or what can you give on communication to make it more luring for the other person, or reality factor. That will be your personal creativity with your company, in terms of company, if you're working for an organization or it's a marketing strategy for a company, that will be purely based on your strategies.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Charlie, can I?
Charlie, can I have a word? The topic we are touching is rather difficult and tough, and varies from one person to person. I understand this thumb rule what we have found, in my opinion, doesn't work all over. Then some problems always become very different again. I like your talking about facility, but some other part of it, it's pretty good. But I
Yeah.
can't use it as a thumb rule. This is my opinion.
Okay, so you must be having certain experiences from life. I'm not saying that you make it as a thumb rule. I'm just giving you as an additional tool to your existing knowledge. Let's say you already know how to improve your relationship, but this is an added tool. You can put it somewhere you like, and if you don't feel like, you don't have to. Any knowledge is, you have a first right to knowledge. Anything which is true for you, only then it's true for you. Use it if you like to use it. Yeah.
This is pretty good. Basics are perfect. But coming at this stage, I once again mention it because it again differs from a person to person, environment, different environments, different circumstances.
Yeah, absolutely.
We have a different approach to
Right.
what we are talking. Everyone has a different approach, to my opinion.
Right.
So
Absolutely.
I'm very happy with the basics you are given. These basics are perfect. But at times it doesn't work. Things are more deep, much more deeper than we think of.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
There is initially only I just showed you something. This was a thick book. He goes in deeper and deeper. If you really want to go the deeper side of it, that's why even called Science of Survival. He knew these are the things which people are facing. This is not as easy as I show you a triangle. There are certain things which are even deeper, which needs to be understood. I am just giving you the most, like the topping of it in that 1 hour. I'm trying to give you the most basic of it. But yes, you're right. There are certain circumstance, scenario, environment where everything is used differently. And there is a whole line of work. Like I was telling to the other gentleman, he talked about communication. We have a whole section of communication course only designed where we don't even discuss the ARC triangle. It's only for communication drills and exercises of listening and talking. Similarly, there is a marketing course, finance course. Where would you use this ARC triangle in a different circumstance, different scenarios? That is all differently placed out. This is like one of the common binding factor I was trying to give you here. I hope that you can agree upon.
Yeah, absolutely. Shalini, can I come to you?
Absolutely.
Yeah, can I ask something?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Avinash here. In your total lecture, I would like to add a few things.
Sure.
When you said knowledge,
Yeah.
knowledge has to be converted into skills.
Right.
And skills are commercially convertible. If whatever you've learned have developed skills, then you can commercially earn money out of your skills only.
Right. Absolutely.
Second is what Mr. Bhamri actually said, there are courses on better listening. Most of the people in India, we hear. And while you're talking, I'm preparing a question to ask you, even before listening to you. So that becomes very important, that you react only after you've understood. And there's no hard and fast rule that this is right or wrong.
Yeah,
Even when a very senior colleague of mine who's the defense secretary in Delhi told me, if you convince people against their intent remains still. So you need to convince them to your point of view. And you should be a solution provider.
Absolutely.
And your attitude, as you get older, you must appreciate the youngsters, what they are talking of. And when you're talking to younger people, then you will be accepted as someone they can come to you for advice.
Right.
So it becomes very important that you listen to the children also, their point. And also when you say, I've forgotten, you cannot forgive anyone if you've not forgotten. So it should come out of, and even when you have a fight with your wife or a difference of opinion, when you sit quiet, then you realize you made a mistake and go and apologize. You go into her point of view that you were wrong at the heat of the moment. It is important to control what you don't make comments unless you're sure about it. So I think beautifully you've explained you made the skeleton and then we have to put pieces to.
Yeah, that's true. That's exactly what I was trying to
comment.
comment.
So much. Very brilliantly done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bhabhi,
Any more questions? Anybody who wants to say anything?
I just want to compliment.
Hanji, Mr. Tej.
You are not only very brilliant, but the aura around you, the knowledge you possess is very, very powerful. I pray to the Almighty for your further ride in the life.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा आपने बताया, बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा। आजकल के जमाने में सब्र की बहुत कमी है, तो अब कहाँ जाए हम ये बताए ज़मीं, इस जहां में तो हमारा नहीं, अपने साए से भी लोग डरने लगे, अब किसी को किसी पर भरोसा नहीं। ये है आजकल का सिनेरियो। हम दिखलाते हैं पर ये दुनिया वाले हमको ठुकराते हैं। आदमी की यहाँ कोई कीमत नहीं, अब किसी को किसी पर भरोसा। ये है लेकिन तुमने इतना अच्छा बताया कि ये अप्लाई करना चाहिए, जो तीनों ट्रायंगल हमने रट लिए अब ये करेंगे।
I'm glad. Yeah, thank you so much. गाया आपने।
थैंक यू सो मच मोना आंटी। एज यूजुअल आप हमेशा एप्ट गाने पता नहीं कहाँ से निकाल के लाते हो अपने कोई पिटारे में से, जो बिल्कुल उस सिचुएशन के लिए बिल्कुल सही होता है, उस माहौल के लिए, एंड आप अपनी एक ब्यूटीफुल सी वॉइस में उसे गा देते हैं। सो थैंक यू so much for singing that for us. And Shelly, thank you so much for being with us. And I think आपने आज जो भी बोला, I know it is just the tip of the iceberg जो आपने आज share करा है. I'm sure there's a lot more to relationships. वैसे ही इतने complex होते हैं, तो वो अगर एक मीटिंग में resolve हो गए होते तो इतनी problems कभी किसी को होती ही नहीं, I think.
So we request for more classes.
Absolutely, Shelly जी सामने बैठी हैं. Please do request her. मैं तो करूँगी. So Shelly, you got the hint. Oh my God, नहीं, आप लोग बहुत बड़े हैं. Please folded hands नहीं. हम लोग Shelly और मैं बहुत छोटे हैं. So Shelly, humble request. We would love to have you again. And I think आप जिन भी topics पे बात कर रही हैं, चाहे उनको थोड़ा डिटेल में बोलना चाहें और एक नया टॉपिक लेके आए, तो everybody here would really welcome it. And because so
I'll give an exercise for them at home, when they go back after tonight, like ठीक है. I also said कि this is a knowledge, this is one of the additional tool. इसे आप अगर आपके पास already आपकी experience है life की and everything is going smooth, nobody is forcing you कि आप इसे add करें, लेकिन हाँ, you can have some wonderful gains using it or trying it for yourself as an added tool, not the only tool but something which works for you. तो ये जो ARC triangle का मैंने आपको दिया, I want you when you go back tonight, find somebody, किसी भी इंसान को लें. अभी तो घर में है तो obviously you will talk to your husband or you'll talk to your wife. Forget everything, like all the conversation जो आपकी हो रही थी शाम तक, इस सेमिनार के पहले, लेक्चर के पहले, वो सारी बातों पे आप कुछ ना डिस्कस करें, बिल्कुल भूल जाएं. और एक बिल्कुल नई सी पॉइंट को आप just find out what about the other person you like the most. क्या ऐसी चीज है जो आपको वो सामने वाले में पसंद है, चाहे वो आपका फ्रेंड है, आप उसे फोन करके भी बोल सकते हैं. जस्ट फर्स्ट एनालाइज अपने माइंड में कि आपको क्या पसंद है. ऑनेस्ट, नॉट लाइक अ डिसऑनेस्ट कि खुश करने के लिए, लेकिन समथिंग विच यू हैव, बिकॉज जब आप ऑनेस्टली इवेलुएट करते हैं या चीजों को देखते हैं, तो यू आर डूइंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ होमवर्क ऑन योर ओन लेवल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दैट पर्सन, कि आप उसे कितना समझते हैं. ये करने से आप भी एक होमवर्क कर रहे हैं कि मुझे आज मैं एक बेटे को फोन करूंगा, या I'll call my my mother-in-law, or I'll call somebody in my office. क्या मुझे उस इंसान के बारे में कौन सी एक बात है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, और या मुझे अच्छी लगती है, या मैं एडमायर कर सकता हूँ, हो सकता है आप उससे लाख गुना ज्यादा अच्छे हो, लेकिन मैं इस बात को उसके एडमायर कर सकता हूँ. तो डू वन वेरी सिंपल एक्सरसाइज, गो बैक टुनाइट, थिंक अबाउट इट, बिकॉज उससे आपने अपना होमवर्क किया. देन यूज द ट्राइंगल, communicate, call them, or just talk to them over that matter. Communicate, you start your communication, and then see what happens to your triangle. आपकी affection उनके लिए after that conversation कैसी रहती है, उसकी affection आपके प्रति, आप दोनों की communication कैसी रहती है, आपका mutual agreement कैसा रहता है at the end of that exercise. और ये चीजों को बस आपने observe करना है, and write it down for me. I'll give you my number, you can text me. This is the homework. Pick anybody. किसी से आपने बहुत समय से बात नहीं की है, that is the best person to pick. अगर किसी से बहुत समय से बात नहीं हुई है, pick that person. Oh my God. You'll come back with dynamites to me. Okay, तो आप मुझे लिख सकते हैं कि हाँ कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. You don't have to tell them कि मैं ये यूज कर रहा हूँ, बस आपने ऑब्जर्व करना है कंपोनेंट्स को और लिख के मुझे बताएं कि कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा.
Okay.
Yeah, you have it. They need it. Yeah. Okay.
Very great session. Very good session. Really enjoyed it.
Shelly,
And I wasn't contradicting, but I'm the best listener. I would listen to you, but number of hours to sit. I would love it if you come back more of this conference.
Sure.
And that is courtesy everything.
Definitely.
शालिनी, ऐसे करते हैं, 50 साल पहले जो हमारी गर्लफ्रेंड है, आज उसको दिमाग में रख के बात करते हैं.
Oh my God, बिल्कुल, try that.
So Shelly, these are.
चलो चांद के पार चले, तब वो कहेगी हम हैं तैयार चलो.
Yeah, that's true.
So anyway, I think a lot of interesting topics are coming up. कि कौन किससे बात करना चाह रहा है. And
once more, my request.
हाँ जी.
मैं तो ऊंचा इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ that Mrs. Kapoor is not sitting with me right now.
So I think we've generally got the hint of who's going to be speaking to whom, and I think we've now come to the end of our session. So Shelly, thank you so much. Like I just said कि आपका topic बहुत ही relevant है, especially in today's generation. Elders हमारे फिर भी क्या मैं कहूँ, गाड़ी के दो पहिए बन के they've carried on, and that is how they've celebrated their 40-50 years of marriage, and the children are all grown up. But like I said कि जैसे हमारे communication and ये affinity and ये सब जो आपने बताया, I think it's very important to find good in the other person, because हम लोग issues को resolve नहीं करते, we always lash out at the person and we try to hurt them as much as we can when we are angry. So I think if we just kind of focus on the issues and not the person's faults, we will come to better resolutions and we find good points. So ये issues इतने ज़्यादा बढ़ेंगे ही नहीं. And it's very important to keep loving the other person no matter what. So I think that is the greatest secret of a relationship carrying on, of just with unconditional love जिसे हम कहते हैं. कि so I do see it in a lot of my elders, and even today when I meet them, तो मैं बहुत लोगों में देखती हूँ and बहुत अच्छा लगता है. In fact, Mr. and Mrs. Ved are one of them. मैं हमेशा उनको compliment करती हूँ इस बारे में. They both till today are so besotted with each other, and their relationship is so beautiful, and God bless them. उनको देख के हमेशा लगता है कि सबके relations ऐसे ही हो. So
one thing I just want to end with. Yeah, there's one last thing I want to say, because I know आप सबने अपनी life का बहुत important हिस्सा एक दूसरे के साथ गुजारा है, and with life you have life teaches a lot of things. खुद की experience रही है, and you have managed your relationship quite well. I have very, very high regards for you on that. But attention, and I really like both of you. I see you even on the screen. I can feel the affinity triangle. You know, ARC triangle is very strong. I can sense it. I can sense it on a spiritual level. So what I'm trying to only say is कि यहाँ मेरा intention ये नहीं है कि मैं कुछ नई चीज़ आप लोगों को सिखाऊं. I already know that there is a lot of wisdom you all have carried through in your life, and you have managed through all the difficulties. But this is just kind of placing something in front of you as a tool. ये चीज़ आपको बस एक नाम दे रही है कि हाँ, अगर आप चीज़ों को diagnose करना खुद से सीख जाएं, so you can do your own inner engineering. You know, that is what we are just adding.
Good one. Good one.
Thank you.
Yeah, very nicely put, Shelly.
Yeah.
And same thing I will also say for Mr. and Mrs. Parvinder also, that they also, you know, have a beautiful this thing. I don't know if they are there today or not. Mr. and Mrs. Parvinder, aap hain? I don't think I see them. Anyway, so
भूमिका बड़ी अच्छी कर लेते हो.
Thank you.
The complete.
So मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि मुझे भी थोड़ी सी नॉलेज है relationships की. So, but I'm sure my husband and people around me might not agree with that. So especially my husband. बाकी सब तो मुझे पता नहीं है. बाकी फिर भी agree कर लेंगे, I think. So, but anyway, but thank you, Shelly, for a lovely and beautiful topic. And you know, I think it's really, really helped all of us. And like you said कि बहुत time से सब साथ रह रहे हैं and ये सब कुछ हो चुका है. But you know, फिर भी जो help है एक relationship में to, you know, to make it more beautiful is always, always very helpful. So thank you so much, Shelly. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. And we hope to see you again tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock sharp for a physiotherapy session. And tomorrow morning we will start at 8:05 sharp. And सबको पता है मैंने ये क्यों बोला है अभी. And 11 o'clock.
Only 5 minutes to us, huh? In the
नहीं
morning.
हम जल्दी open up कर देंगे. So you will get 15 minutes of chit chat and good mornings to everyone. And then 8:05 we will start with our physiotherapy. 11 o'clock we will have a doctor session, and 6 o'clock again I will see you all with something very interesting and something new. So till then, be happy, keep smiling. Think of all the points that Shelly has given us today, the affinity and the communication and reality checks that we all need to have. So, so with that, Shelly, once again, a big thank you to you. And mostly I need to thank Mr. Ghosh for getting you here, though he always stays in the background. Mr. Ghosh, are you there? No, I think he's, no, he's still here. So thank you so much, Mr. Ghosh, for giving us.
Can you hear me?
Shelly? Yes, Mr. Ghosh, we can hear you.
Yeah, okay.
So I was just thanking you, कि you kind of, you know, got me on to Shelly, and I'm, as you can see, the elders are loving all her talks and all the knowledge that she's distributing to all of them. So a big thank you to you too. So,
thank you. Thank you, Ritu. Thank you, Ritu, very much. Thank you.
Yeah, pleasure. So good night, everyone, and see you all tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock sharp.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ritu.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye and good night, everyone.
God bless you. Good night.